Welcome back to the channel. We had a lot of rain last week and we was all stuck indoors and they were driving me mad. So when there was a break in the weather, we all piled outside. For those of you who are new, this is Dipper. He's got partial sight. This is William, he's completely blind. Podge, she's blind. Frodo wasn't in the videos last week. He hasn't been well and he had to stay indoors. He's okay, he's finished his treatment, so he'll be out to play again soon. The big cat on the left is Fergus. He's the protector. He looks after them all. Everyone loves having Fergus around.